We visit a lot of websites every day. Sometimes we may want really quick information about the site, but we may be too lazy to read or search the entire website or to even Google for the required information. At those times, website chat comes in really handy. Many prominent websites have these kind of customer service chats embedded in the website itself. But the problem is, these chat agents may not be available 24/7, and even if they are, they might be experiencing multiple customers, so we can't expect a quick reply from them. So we thought it would be a good idea to create a chatbot to eliminate all those difficulties. So here is our website's chatbot. Open it and shoot your questions. With this, you get a human-like interaction with the site.
mypizzasite.com, online pizza booking and delivery.
It does not expect you to say the same things either. It uses the same technology that powers Amazon's Echo. So basically, it can pretty much understand whatever you say in whatever way you say it. Since they are bots, they don't only send you messages, they can do a whole lot more. They can help you navigate the website, for example. Let's ask about the cost. It highlights the part of the site based on your query, if it can. So here it understands that you are asking about the pricing details and immediately highlights the pricing tab. Now say, if you're confused on how to proceed, you can ask something like, what do I do? It assists you with visual cues on what can be done. There are a few websites out there with the chatbot capabilities, but the problem is there are only but a few. These websites, they build the chatbot by themselves, integrate with the website, and feed necessary information to it as well. But as a user, wouldn't it be great if every website you visited had this feature? Say no more. Well, that's exactly what we have done as well. In fact, the chatbot widget you see here is provided by us as a plugin to Chrome and not by the website. Yes, the site does not integrate nor provide any information to the bot. This not only works for this site, but it may very well work for every site that you may ever visit. Since you're not talking to actual chat agents who are hired by the company and often give biased responses, the information you get from the chatbot is guaranteed to be neutral and completely trustable. For example, I can even ask it if I can trust this site. As said earlier, this is more than just a chatbot. It deeply integrates with Chrome and can be used to perform any number of actions, right from setting alarms, setting a reminder, restricting access, and so on and so forth. For example, by asking something like this, the bot will automatically clear the browsing history of the site for you. This might actually be useful for some people out there. Now, the bot will automatically close the site after 20 minutes. Or, if you never want to open the site again, you can do this. By doing this, the bot will never allow you to open the site. You can obviously undo it at any time you want. Or, if you really like the site, go ahead and make a bookmark. Here is a previous chat on Facebook. Now, if I say something like this, it automatically opens up the related links. If you don't want to spend time on a particular website, you can ask it to close at a certain time every time you visit it. Okay, now say I'm searching for some product for my company. I ask about the product. Now I can even ask something which I would normally not be able to ask a chat agent. I can even compare it. Let's take a look at this page. If I had a bot developed before I first visited the page, I could have done this. It will now open exactly a month before July 18th. Going back to what we saw in my test website, I asked something like this. It worked for my site, but will it work for any site? It actually does. It understands what you are asking for and will search the current website to see if it can match anything to your query. And there was also this other question that I asked in my site that allowed me to use visual cues. Not this time.
Let me do that myself.
Meanwhile, this guy is not happy saying no. So he observes you and tries to learn from what you do. So now, if you or any other person from any other part of the world opens the same website and asks the same question, it does not say no. And that is why we call it the Intelligent Browser Assistant. Presenting to you, Silanthi.